The two main factors why Marma or any other pressure point fighting system in the world does not work is one, half of them are fake, they don't work because they don't work. The other half, this is number two, people think that they are ready to use them after watching one YouTube video. You tell me what is the correct order? Land, foundation, building, or just building? Of course, the first one, right? Most of these people who are very interested in this vital point attacks and pressure point knockouts, they think that fighting is not important. They will get this shortcut and with that they can win. No. Unless you spend years perfecting your striking and your wrestling, you know how to manage your distance, range, timing, stamina, flexibility. You know how to handle yourself on the ground. You know some grappling, even maybe weapons. Now it will work. तो अगर आपको कोई बोले कि एक सिंगल टच से किसी दुश्मन को हम ढेर कर देंगे, ऐसा सिंगल टच नॉकआउट, सबसे पहले तो उनकी बात सुननी नहीं. अगर आप उन पे विश्वास करते हो एंड इफ यू नो ओके द टेक्निक्स आर रियल, वेट. अभी आपका लेवल उतना आया नहीं है. पहले सीखिए कैसे उस पॉइंट तक आप पहुंचेंगे और अगर वो वर्क नहीं किया तो अपने आप को कैसे हैंडल करना है. देयर इज नो वन सिंगल आंसर फॉर दिस सेल्फ डिफेंस और फाइटिंग. It is not like question and answer. If somebody hold me like this, I will do this. It's not that simple. It is not question and answer. It is more like a whole interview. It is full personality test. In this situation, if something goes wrong, what will you do? It's years of training. What is Marma? Now, according to Ayurveda and Kalaripayat, these are points in your body, important points in your body, where life energy is kind of concentrated. ये आपके शरीर में टिश्यूज हो सकते हैं, नर्व्स के पॉइंट्स हो सकते हैं. Even if you don't want to go that deep, to put it simply, these are points which can be used like for healing you and also harming you. When we are looking at healing aspect of this is called Marma Chikitsa or Ayurveda or healing. And when you are using the same points and manipulating these points to harm somebody, now this is martial arts. अभी ऐसा कलरी चिकित्सा या फिर ऐसा नेचुरल हीलिंग वाले हॉस्पिटल में आप जाओगे और आपके जिन जिन पार्ट्स पे वो मसाज करके आपको हील करेंगे, उन्हीं पार्ट्स पे एक तरीके से अगर आपको अटैक किया जाए, वो आपके लिए गड़बड़ भी हो सकता है. So this is Marma. Now there are other approaches also. Marma is different and pressure point techniques are different. If I say thumb in somebody's eyes or palm strike to nose, that is not Marma. That is just smart fighting. This is different. This is like, this has a medical background to it. Now because Kalaripayat has a deep connection with medicine and treatment, usually the martial art masters are also knowledgeable in medicine and treatment. Now they are using the same knowledge for harming somebody. This is different. And the smart fighting, thumb in somebody's cheek, kicking the groin, palm strike to the nose, that is different. That is just smart fighting. This is more complex, hard to apply, and actually very advanced stuff. In most of these Kalari Marma attack videos, they will give you the point and they will say like you have to attack like this or like this or like this. They will say, you know the point, you know how to do it, but do you know how to reach there? Now for anybody who is into these combat martial arts or like boxing or kickboxing or anything like that, even anybody who has faced a real life street fighting, you know that fighting is not easy. It is something very chaotic और already बहुत सारा टेंशन हो रहा है, बहुत सारा घुसरम हो चुकी है. इसके बीच में आप किसी के बॉडी का एक पॉइंट पे ऐसे कर पाओगे क्या? नहीं. It is a big question, right? Yesterday I was watching a video on Hard to Hurt. IC Mike was saying like you keep your hands up in fighting not because you want to block something. You keep your hands up to block the attacks that you don't see coming, right? If you see the punches coming anyway, you can protect yourself. Hands are up to protect you from the punches you don't see coming. See, already without Marma, without pressure point techniques, simple fighting, simple sports combat fighting itself is that complicated. इसके बीच में आप ये सब कॉम्प्लिकेशन लाना चाह रहे हैं तो आप पहले ये बात समझिए, ये शॉर्टकट नहीं है फाइटिंग का, ये फाइटिंग का अल्टीमेट लेवल है. So all I'm saying is if you have spent some years on perfecting your striking, punching, kicking, you know how to manage distance, कैसे अंदर जाना है, कैसे बाहर आना है, कैसे safely अंदर जाना है, कैसे safely बाहर आना है, how to take down somebody, how to defend yourself from a takedown, how to fight on the ground. I myself have not mastered any of these, like ये list में मैंने जितनी चीजें गिना दी ना वो मेरे को खुद अभी तक नहीं हुई है. I'm not a master, but I'm doing this from a long time. Still, I have not achieved most of the things that I just said. Speed, distance calculation. I still make mistakes. Now, if I want, maybe this is the mudra I will use, and I also know the point in the body, maybe somewhere behind the ear or something like that. This is just an example, right? ये सब मुझे पता है. Can I do this to a boxer? No, he will never allow me to do that. So I need to learn proper way to get in there, maybe get into a clinch, and from there maybe then it is possible. आपको YouTube पे प्रेशर पॉइंट वाली फाइटिंग के जितने वीडियो मिल जाएंगे उनमें मोस्ट ऑफ द वीडियोस आर सजेस्टिंग दैट यू जस्ट लर्न दिस टेक्निक and you don't need anything else, right? This happens in fitness also. Most of the channels, like if they are teaching something desi, if they are teaching, let's say for example Hanuman Dand, the video will be like no gym needed, कल से जिम जाना छोड़ दीजिए. नहीं, हनुमान दंड पुशअप का एक वेरिएशन है जिसमें बहुत अच्छा एक्सरसाइज है, लेकिन आपको और भी चीजें चाहिए बॉडी को ट्रेन करने के लिए, राइट? दिस इज नॉट वन सिंगल सॉल्यूशन. इसी तरीके से कोई भी एक टेक्निक किसी चीज का एक मात्र आंसर नहीं होता. नथिंग वर्क्स ऑल द टाइम. द सेम अप्लाइज टू मर्मा और वॉट एवर योर प्रेशर पॉइंट फाइटिंग. People think that all they need to do is to learn how to avoid a few attacks. Like किसी ने लात मारी तो हम ये करेंगे, किसी ने पंच मारा तो हम ये करेंगे. How to escape from a choke, how to escape from a knife attack. All they need is like one technique and that's all they will practice. No, it is not like that. Even in medical field, what these doctors are doing, like they are not only studying medicine, they are studying the whole damn disease, right? जब तक आप जानते नहीं कि किस किस तरीके से कोई आदमी चाकू से आपको मार सकता है, कौन कौन सी सिचुएशन में आप पे अटैक हो सकता है, unless and until you know how to attack somebody, you won't know how to defend yourself also. First learn the disease to understand what can be the cure. Like that's how, maybe that's how the vaccines are being made, right? They don't learn just the vaccine or just how to cure it. They have studied the whole virus and they're still doing it. Same way, you can't go with the approach like if somebody grabs my throat or my collar, what will I do? You have to understand how grabbing somebody's collar works. What are the advantages, disadvantages? इसीलिए लोग 10-10, 12-12 साल किसी मार्शल आर्ट क्लास में और people go to MMA gyms and things like this. They are training all their life. They are not fools. Spend time on learning these basic martial art skills. In Kalari Fight, first thing they learn is like they make their body flexible, they increase their stamina, then wooden weapons, then other kinds of weapons, and only at the final stage they get at hand-to-hand combat. So hand-to-hand fighting अपने आप में इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है कि उसके प्रिपेयर करने के लिए ही आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखनी पड़ती हैं. उसके बाद भी from there it is not just about fighting. See, for example, like police officers, like I've seen in a movie, I don't know whether this is true or not. First they have to shoot in air and then they have to shoot at somebody's leg to stop them, right? To stop somebody like trying to assault them. If they use lethal force, if they shoot, they have to shoot it in the leg, but still they know they should not shoot somebody in the femoral artery, right? इधर से ऐसा पैर के अंदर से एक आर्टरी जाती है जिस पे अगर गोली लगे तो आप खून इतना बहेगा कि आप मर जाओगे. Right? Shooting, right? Having a good training for shooting. You have good aim, you can shoot, you have good experience with the weapon. But is that enough? No, you should know where to shoot, right? It takes medical awareness, it takes training, it takes research to understand that you have to shoot somebody in the head to kill them, right? ये मेडिकल अवेयरनेस है कि हाँ यहाँ पे ब्रेन होता है, हाँ यहाँ पे दूसरी आर्टरी जाती है, उधर गोली लगे तब मरेगा. आपके अटैक सिर्फ उस पर डिपेंड नहीं करता आपने 1000 बार पंचिंग प्रैक्टिस करी. आप इस पे भी डिपेंड करता है कि पंच कहाँ पे लगाना है, कैसे लगाना है, किस टाइम पे लगाना है, प्लस बॉडी पे उसका कैसा इफेक्ट पड़ेगा. तो इट इज़ अ बैलेंस ऑफ लाइक मेडिकल अवेयरनेस एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग हाउ द बॉडी वर्क्स प्लस योर ओन मार्शल आर्ट प्रैक्टिस. सो ऑल आई एम सेइंग इज वर्क ऑन योर बेसिक्स फर्स्ट. Then you can maybe try to understand these vital point attacks, pressure point fighting system. It can work. But once you already have equipped yourself with good stamina, strength and basic techniques like range, distance management, ये सारी चीजें आनी चाहिए, उसके बाद आप इस चीज में जाइए, राइट. सो ये एकमात्र सोल्यूशन नहीं है, इसके लिए आपको और भी ट्रेनिंग चाहिए. प्लस फाइटिंग इतना आसान होता तो लोग पूरी जिंदगी ऐसा ट्रेनिंग में वेस्ट नहीं करते. So that's all for today. Maybe I cleared some of your doubt. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. If you want Kalari Dhoti, you can order this online. Link is in description. Karate TV online class. Link is in description. Follow me on Instagram. Link is in description. Visit our website karatetv.in. Link is in description. छोटा चैनल है कराटे टी वाले भैया, उसको भी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. लिंक इज इन डिस्क्रिप्शन.